I love the woods. I love nature. I love the water. I just love outside. I never bring the camera with me when I'm in here, but oh my gosh, I'm like discovering a new area of where I go here. I come here often, but I have never seen this side of it. So, like, just like, let's bring the camera with us today. Why not? I just love, 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 love this. Also, though, I think because it stormed a little bit not too long ago, like the pathways are kind of like messed up. Like if you see over here, like some trees knocked down. I tried to come here last week and I couldn't because there was literally like you couldn't even get through. Like the trees were just blocking everywhere. So glad we decided to take a different route today. This is so beautiful. But yeah, love, love, love. Look at this. I've been like, oh, look at this tree. Oh my god, there's like something buzzing right in my ear. But look at this tree. Oh my gosh. Damn. Okay. Smells like poop over here. People walk their dogs over here too, so I need to be careful. Oh man, wow. So much happened. They knocked, so many trees fell down. So many trees fell down. Anyways, oop, I almost tripped. What was I about to say? I think my main intention for this week, well, not even my main intention because I feel like I should be doing this all the time, but like something I'm keeping at the forefront this week is caring about how I feel and making sure that I'm paying attention to my feelings, why I'm feeling them, and if they're not serving me, doing what I need to do to, feel good at the end of the day. So I say that to say being outside is one of the main things that will always, always, always be like medicine for me because it's just so, I don't know, it's nature. It just reminds me of just like, well, for one, we're never alone. Like with nature, we're always whoever you're supposed to be. What? I don't even think that made sense. Wow, what? I've never been over here. Come back up. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. I love this. Wow. I always get nervous around like this because, like, I'm not gonna lie, I can never tell what's poison ivy and what's not. But I just don't touch it, you know. But yeah, back to what I was saying about caring about how you feel. I think is so important, because caring about how you feel and taking the proper steps to making sure you are feeling good, you know. I think feeling good is subjective, because we can sometimes equate feeling good to doing things that might not be the healthiest, if that makes sense. Like, I mean, you know, sometimes like drinking alcohol might feel good for you, or like whatever along the lines of that. But at the end of the day, like, even though it might feel good and seem good for the time being, it's not like long term. Honestly, I'm sorry. I cannot get over this view. Like, I am astonished. I don't even know what else to say. What? Like, I'm just sitting here talking and this is in front of me. Like, oh, wow. I am just so incredibly grateful right now to, like, just be a part of this. And I'm so glad I brought my camera with me today. Like, I usually, when I'm in nature, I try to unplug and really just, you know, but I mean, my camera, I can't connect to the internet. I can't really do anything. So when you think about being the person you want to be, getting to where you want to be, caring about how you feel plays a big part in that, because obviously if you're feeding yourself things that aren't necessarily making you feel actually good, you know, like the healthy dopamine things and stuff like that, it's not necessarily the same, I feel. Which is, I mean, not to say don't chase after those things, but I just think it's important to have like a sense of self-awareness and just being more mindful. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. Your dog is so beautiful.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good one. Yeah. I love seeing the dogs around here because they're always such pretty dogs. But let's see if I can get 'em. All right. Let's keep walking. It doesn't look like it's gonna rain anymore, but I'm just gonna put the hoodie on anyways. I love my Alchemy because it's like maybe like 75 degrees. Oh, it's like almost 75 degrees, but this hoodie like is so like the material is great because it's so warm, but it's not like it doesn't make me sweat or anything. Obviously, I wouldn't wear this in like if it's like super hot, but it's pretty cool outside here. So, you guys see that dog? What else do I want to talk about? Yo, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Lotto ate that album up. Georgia Peach has been our repeat. Shout Out to Me has been our repeat. Cause shout out to me for real. Like, she really did that. I've been listening to her since I was like 12 years old too. So I just love seeing like when it's like people that I've been following since I was literally a kid. Like, it's so cool to just witness their growth. Even though like obviously I don't know her or nothing, but it kind of just reminds me to also, you know, look at my growth and like pay attention to how far I've come and things like that. So yeah. Okay, there's dogs somewhere. The dogs over here are also very like good. Like, they're so well trained and stuff. Like, they don't bother you. Like, they come near you, but they know better than to, like, you know, start shit. So shout out to the people. Shout out to the dogs. Shout out to the dogs. What am I hearing? I'm hearing something. Let's go over here. I'm tripping all over the place. It's a little muddy, so I'm not gonna do too much. This is so pretty. Oh, I'm hearing some crazy stuff. It's just the doggies, though. Look at this. This tree is amazing. Okay, let's go. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Do, 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 do. She keep hitting me. Nah, that's not funny. Alright, you guys, we're about to head back. Got some things to do, but we still have so much more to discover. We need to see what goes on down there. Yeah. Look at this tree, though. Like, I can't. Damn. Alright, you guys. For anyone who tuned in, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed my little nature excursion. Because I did. Wow. Until next time.